Flour.
Powder for baking.
Flower.
A plant bloom.
Night.
A warrior.
Night.
Opposite of day.
Mail.
Letters or parcels.
Male.
Opposite of female.
Pair.
A set of two.
Pair.
A fruit.
Brake.
A device to stop a vehicle.
Break.
To separate or rest.
Sail.
To travel by boat.
Sale.
Something sold.
Sight.
The ability to see.
Sight.
A location.
Right.
To form letters or words.
Right.
Correct or direction.